Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
You shift into drive, you hit the gas, and nothing. The engine revs, the tachometer needles bounce, but you're going nowhere. Your car is lying to you. It's telling you everything is fine, but beneath the floorboards, a silent failure has occurred. I'm your expert technician, and today we're performing a forensic autopsy on the one part standing between you and a catastrophic rollaway. This is the shifter linkage cable. It's the mechanical lifeline of your automatic transmission, a single push-pull conduit of woven steel. Inside that sleeve, hundreds of fine wires work in unison. They have to withstand thousands of pounds of tension over the life of your vehicle. But look where it lives. It's inches away from your exhaust, exposed to road salt, grime, and extreme thermal cycling every single day. Then there's calibration. It's not just about hooking it up, it's about aligning the notches in your hand with the valves in the box. The gold standard is the neutral alignment. We set the shifter inside the car to neutral first. This is our 0 point. Then we manually click the transmission's selector arm into the exact same position. If these two aren't synced, nothing else matters. We use threaded adjusters or locking tabs to take up the slack. Even a 2mm error can lead to a missed gear engagement. In some older heavy-duty trucks, we actually hang weights on the shifter to account for gravity and linkage play before we lock it down. Now, let's talk symptoms. First up, the sticky shifter. If it feels like you're stirring a bucket of sand, you have internal friction. This usually means the steel strands are fraying inside the sleeve, turning into a jagged bird's nest that's eating the plastic alive. On the flip side, a sloppy shifter, where there's zero resistance, means the cable has snapped completely. You're no longer connected to the car. Then there's indicator drift. You think you're in drive, but the dashboard says neutral. This is a calibration nightmare in the making. The most dangerous version? You click into park, you let off the brake, but the car starts rolling backward. The linkage didn't finish the job. Symptoms don't stop there. If your car won't even try to start, don't blame the battery yet. Your cable might be blocking the neutral safety switch. The car's computer is smart. It won't let the starter engage if it thinks you're still in gear. A stretched cable keeps that switch open. Now for the controversy. It's often not the whole cable that fails, but this. The plastic bushing. A 10-cent part causing billion-dollar problems. Over time, heat and age turn this plastic into brittle glass. When it breaks, the cable simply falls off the transmission arm. Done. Ford recently recalled over 3 million vehicles for exactly this. Escape, Fusion, Transit, all grounded because of a plastic grommet. But here's the debate. Owners are suing, claiming the recall fixes use the same bad materials that failed in the first place. Is it a real fix? Is it safe to drive with these symptoms? The answer is a hard no. You are operating a mechanical lie. The rollaway risk is catastrophic. You exit the car, the park pole hasn't engaged, and your vehicle becomes a rolling wrecking ball. Or worse, it slips into neutral while you're merging onto a highway. You lose power, you lose control, and you're a sitting duck. So what do? You have two paths, the quick fix bushing kit or the full forensic cable replacement. Choose wisely. If the cable core is fine, a $20 bushing kit can save you hundreds. It's a common DIY save that takes about 30 minutes. These kits exist because manufacturers won't sell you the bushing alone.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Sometime there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
They want you to buy the whole $600 assembly. But if the cable is stretched or the internal lining is melted from exhaust heat, a bushing won't fix the physics. You need a new cable. This is a labor-heavy job. We have to pull the center console, thread it through the firewall, and reach around hot engine blocks. Here's the catch. If you force a stuck shifter, you might break the internal manual valve of the transmission. Now you're looking at a $3,000 rebuild. This has created a whole market for aftermarket all-metal upgrades. Performance drivers are ditching the plastic for billet aluminum. They argue it's the only way to ensure lifetime reliability. It's a direct challenge to the OEM engineering that failed us. Is modern calibration just a dealership trap to lock out DIYers? Or is it a genuine safety requirement? I've seen both sides of the wrench. On newer cars, calibration is increasingly digital. Sensors monitor the linkage position down to the millimeter. One slip and the system shuts down. In our forensic look at the Ford Escape, we found the heat shields were often missing, leading directly to cable degradation. It's an ecosystem failure. And the Dodge Dart? The NHTSA is back at it in 2024 because the fixes aren't holding. This story isn't over yet. My professional advice? Don't wait for the phantom gear to strike. If your shifter feels different, even slightly, inspect it. A quick visual inspection can save your car, your wallet, and potentially your life. Look for cracks, leaks, or fraying strands. When you see the data, the math is simple. A few $100s now or thousands later. It's a forensic certainty. Let's get technical for a second. The tension on this cable changes as your engine moves on its mounts. Calibration must account for this dynamic play. If it's too tight, you'll snap the core. Too loose, and you'll skip a gear. It's a mechanical balancing act performed at 70 miles per hour. When the linkage is off, the internal manual valve only partially opens. This causes fluid pressure drops and eventually total transmission burnup. This brings us to the right to repair. Are manufacturers making these parts harder to calibrate just to keep you in the dealership service bay? With digital locks and proprietary adjusters, the home mechanic is being squeezed out, but the forensic facts don't lie. Mechanical systems need access. I've seen owners go the metal route and never look back. It's about taking control of your car's mechanical integrity. To summarize the forensic evidence, shifter cables fail from the outside in, bushings crumble, steel frays, and calibration drifts. The symptoms are your early warning system. Ignore them, and you're gambling with a 2-ton machine. Recognize the signs before it's too late. A little high-temp grease on the pivot points during every oil change, that can add years to your linkage life. Simple prevention, forensic results. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a phantom gear moment? Did you go with the $20 fix or the $800 job? Tell us your horror stories in the comments. We're building a database of these failures to help others avoid the dealership trap. If you want more forensic breakdowns of the systems that keep you on the road or off it, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm your expert technician. We analyze the failures so you can drive with confidence. No lies, just mechanical truth. Stay safe, stay calibrated, and keep shifting. I'll see you in the next forensic autopsy. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else.
Carhelpout.com.
We can help you with
It's the
PPI
convenience.
inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.